Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can put e to the power of s multiplied by e because e that is about e to the power of 1. This one we have e to the power of s and e to the power of negative number 1. And now we simplify. And this one we have 1 over e. So e and e we have e squared. The integration of this one we have s e to the power of number 2, and I will put about c. Question number 2, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s minus number 1. Later that we have s, so I will put this one go to the left, and we have u plus 1 equals to s. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we change for u. S we change for u plus 1. The s we change for the u. Number 1 and number 2 we have number 3. U to the power of number 7 multiplied by u and number 3. And now we have the final answer. So I will put number 8 gone here. So 8 plus 1 we have number 9. The next one, number 7, I will put in here. So 7 plus 1 we have number 8. About u, that is about s minus number 1. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the next one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u squared because I want to cancel the square root. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one gone here and here. The s we change for this one. So this one you got about u. Now about 3u we can put u plus 2u. So we can do about factorization by u. So this one we have u multiplied by u plus 1. This one by number 2. Now we can do another factorization by u plus 1. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put 8 over u plus number 2 and b over u plus 1. Now we can do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about u plus 1. About this one, it is missing about u plus number 2. Next, we need to expand. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of u. Now, we need to compare coefficient. We have 2u. That means this one equals to number 2. We don't have the numbers in here, so this one equals to number 0. So we calculate this one. So h equals to number 4, b equals to negative number 2. So we put a and b go in here. So 8 equals to number 4, b equals to negative number 2. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides, and we have u equals to the square root of s. And now we need to change u into this one. And that is the final answer. Here is the full answer of the question in here.